Okay, so I was gonna cut my apple, and I noticed this stuff. I don't even know what it is really. This white stuff that's on the apple. And I started scraping it off, and I got a bunch of it scraped off onto my jeans, you know. And then I got to thinking, well, maybe there's more stuff on here, you know, that I can't even really see. I mean, this is really hard to film and do this at the same time. Almost impossible. Gee whiz, come on. Yeah, in focus. Focus. See if I can do this one-handed. I was just taking my knife, scraping along the apple, and I'm getting this junk off the apple. I'm like, what is this? I don't even know what this is. It looks really funky. I don't know.